Yes, sir. Hi, sir. This is Vijay. I have one doubt regarding the conditional formatting.
Okay.
So, can I share my screen, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Go ahead.
Sure, sir.
It is being live streamed, Vijay.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
You sharing? You sharing?
Yes, sir. I'm sharing the screen.
Okay.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So presently I'm displaying the text table, sir. So we have a sales here. So I have created one calculation field which is a profit N and Y, sir. So what I've created means if profit is greater than 150, then Y, else N, sir. Okay. If profit Y, if the profit is Y, the sales color should be formatted to green, sir. Actually, the requirement is.
But you are making it discrete, right? You should have moved that to the text in the marks card text, right? Move that sales to the marks card in the text. The sales that you have in the view, yeah, move that to text.
Okay.
Sum of say article, move that to bring that to text. No. The text that is in the label, marks card. Marks card. Left side, pages, filter, and below that marks card, right?
1 second, sir. Yeah, please, sir.
Marks card.
Oh,
Yeah, in that text, drag in that you have text field, drag it to there.
okay.
Where did you drag? No, boss. That's it.
Yeah.
Close that. You have dragged it to tool sale text. You are seeing in the marks card. You are seeing text in the marks card. No.
So,
Yeah, that text below that. No. Come out of that text.
okay.
You are seeing that text above that right side text. Yeah, drag it
Okay.
there.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah. Now bring your profit Y and N to color. And now, where is your text? I think you have reduced that size of that. Yeah, expand that. Yeah. No,
Yes.
other side. Now you can
Yes.
see the coloring. Okay.
Yes, sir. But actually, the client wanted the sales should be in middle of this
No, in the
table, sir.
middle, I don't think you can color that. Like conditional formatting is not possible.
Actually, in conditional formatting, I've tried, sir, but I didn't get the good result. So
No.
on that,
Here you're getting that color, but you cannot have that in the middle and get your conditional formatting. That is what I'm saying.
okay, sir. Okay. So actually, this can be done in only conditional formatting only, right, sir?
Yeah, because you can change the color of your background color of your sales that is present in the sheet, but the problem is you cannot change the color dynamically. Just
Okay.
like you can give a static color, but you cannot give a dynamic color.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That was the only question. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone? Any